Hey, to pair Beats Solo 4 headphones with any Android device, like for example this Android smartphone, first of all you will have to click and hold this power button until this indicator right here starts blinking white, quickly, like this. Now we can release this button when it's blinking quickly because we are in the pairing mode, and all you have to do on your Android device is to simply open the boot settings and click to pair new device. Then you will be able to find the Beats Solo 4 on the list. You can just click on them, accept the pairing, and now we are successfully connected. Also, you can download the Beats application from the Play Store by going here, clicking on the search, input Beats phrase, and this is actually the application that we have to download, but I wouldn't recommend you because it's completely useless. You almost cannot do anything here. Take a look. You can only change the call controls between you can replace twice for the end call and once on the mute and unmute. That's all. Nothing more we can do here, so it's like waste of your space on the phone. That's all for this video. That's how we can actually connect it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.